Every day, thousands of travelers watch the baggage carousel go round and round, a sinking feeling building in their stomach. Their bag is just not coming. That realization that your stuff is lost in the maze of global air travel can wreck a trip before it even starts. But what if I told you this nightmare was almost entirely preventable? I've learned from decades of flying, and I'm giving you my 10-tip system to make sure you walk away with your bag every single time. We'll cover what to do before you fly, critical steps at the airport, and some insider tricks. Let's start with the first mistake people make before they even leave the house. Tip number 1. Create your digital dossier. Before you pack, grab your phone. First, take a clear photo of everything you're packing. This is your inventory for a claim if your bag is lost. Next, zip the bag closed and take pictures of the outside from every angle. This visual proof helps airline staff find your black suitcase among 1,000 others. This takes 1 minute and creates an ironclad record. Tip number 2. Make your bag unmistakable. Most suitcases look the same, which is a recipe for mix-ups. Your job is to make your bag so unique no one could mistake it for theirs. Use a bright luggage strap, a weird luggage tag, or tie a colorful ribbon to the handle. The goal is to spot your bag from 50 feet away. This simple fix prevents accidental swaps and helps airline staff find it if it gets misplaced. Tip number 3. The inside-out ID tag. External luggage tags rip off all the time. If that happens, your bag is anonymous. That's why you need an inside-out ID. Write your name, email, and phone number on a business card and place it on top of your clothes inside the suitcase. If the external tag is gone, the first thing airline staff do is open the bag to find out who it belongs to. That card is your bag's ticket home. Tip number 4. Strip your bag of its history. Before you check in, peel off every single old barcode sticker from past flights. The airport's high-speed scanners don't think. They just scan. If a scanner reads an old barcode for Paris instead of the new one for Tokyo, your bag could get sorted onto the wrong plane. Give your bag a clean slate for every trip. Tip number 5. The agent confirmation check. At the check-in counter, watch the agent put the barcode tag on your bag. Then, check the little sticker receipt they give you. Make sure the destination airport code on it, like LAX for Los Angeles, matches your actual destination. A simple typo here can send your bag to the wrong country. Tip number 6, the carry-on survival kit. This tip will save your trip if your bag is delayed. Never pack anything irreplaceable in your checked luggage. Your carry-on is your survival kit. It must contain all medications, keys, electronics, chargers, and jewelry. I also strongly recommend packing 1 full change of clothes. My rule is, if you can't survive without it for 48 hours, it belongs with you in the cabin. By the way, if you're finding these tips useful, hit that subscribe button for more travel hacks every week. Now let's get back to it. Tip number 7, the digital leash. The single greatest gadget for baggage security is a digital tracker. Devices like Apple AirTags or Tiles are cheap and a total game changer. Toss one in your suitcase, and you can track your bag's location in real time from your phone. You can see that your bag got on the plane, and if it's delayed, you can see exactly where it is, which helps the airline find it faster. Tip number 8. Use the airline's own system. Most major airlines have tracking systems in their mobile apps. The app will often send push notifications when your bag is loaded, transferred, and landed. This is a great early warning system, especially on tight connections. If you land but don't get a notification, you can talk to an agent immediately instead of waiting at the carousel. You did everything right, but your bag is gone. Don't panic. What you do in the next 30 minutes is critical. Step number 1. The golden rule. Never leave the airport. Do not go to your hotel and call from there. Go straight to your airline's baggage service office, located in the baggage claim area, and file an official report in person. Step number 2. File the Property Irregularity Report, PIR. At the desk, you'll file a Property Irregularity Report, or PIR. This officially starts the search. You'll need your baggage claim sticker and a description of your bag. Those photos you took are now a lifesaver. You will get a file reference number. Guard it with your life. Before leaving, get a direct phone number for that specific baggage office. Step number 3. Know your rights. Airlines are legally required to compensate you. For domestic flights in the United States, the maximum liability is up to $4,700 per passenger. For most international flights under the Montreal Convention, the limit is approximately $2,175. This includes reimbursing you for reasonable and essential purchases while your bag is missing, like clothes and toiletries. Keep every single receipt. If the airline declares your bag lost, you are also entitled to a full refund of your checked bag fee. Losing luggage feels like a disaster, but you can stack the odds in your favor. Your most powerful tools are the digital dossier, photographing your bag and its contents, the digital leash, using a tracker, and the golden rule, never leaving the airport without filing a report. When you prepare before you fly and act decisively at the airport, you're in control. You and your luggage will get to your destination together. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Now I want to hear from you. What's the worst lost luggage story you've experienced? Share it in the comments below. Travel safe, and I'll see you in the next one.